Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nick.
Okay, Nick, picture this. You walk into a beautiful hotel. It's your first day on vacation, but you have to go to the front desk. Your heart is beating a little fast, and you're thinking, oh no, what do I say? Have you ever felt like that?
Oh, absolutely. That feeling is so common. You're tired from your trip, and now you have to speak English. It can feel scary.
Exactly. But don't worry. Today, we will give you the exact sentences you need at the front desk, step by step.
By the end of this episode, you will feel confident and ready.
Let's start. So imagine you are standing at the front desk. The most important first sentence you need is, I have a reservation.
Yes, that's the first key phrase. I have a reservation. It's a great phrase. It just means you booked or you saved the room before you arrived. You did it online or on the phone.
So simple. I have a reservation. Then you usually say your name, like, I have a reservation under the name Cheri.
Perfect. After that, they might ask for your passport or your ID card. Then you can start asking some questions. What's a common question you might ask, Cheri?
Ooh, a very important one for me, food. I always ask, is breakfast included?
Yes, that's our second key phrase. Is breakfast included? This just means, is breakfast free with the room or do I need to pay for it?
And my other very, very important question is about the internet. I need my internet. So I ask, could I have the Wi-Fi password?
Right, a modern necessity. And that's our third phrase. Could I have the Wi-Fi password? It's a polite way to ask for the information to connect to the internet.
And you know, Nick, here is a little confidence tip for our listeners. Remember, if you speak slowly and smile, the hotel staff will be happy to help you. It's okay, don't worry about being perfect. They are there to help.
That is such a great tip. A friendly smile is a universal language. Okay, are you ready to practice this in a real conversation?
I am so ready. Let's do it.
Okay, let's practice. I will be the hotel receptionist, and Cheri, you will be the guest.
Sounds good.
Hello, welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Cheri.
Under the name Cheri. Okay, let me check that for you. Ah, yes, I see it. Could I please have your passport or an ID?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport. And I have my reservation paper too.
Oh, you mean the confirmation number? Perfect, thank you. Okay, everything looks good. You're here for 3 nights, is that correct?
Yes, 3 nights. I have a question. Is breakfast included?
It is. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning in the restaurant on the ground floor.
That's wonderful. Thank you. Oh, and could I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Of course. The network is Grand Hotel Guest, and the password is Welcome123. It's written here on this card for you.
Great, thanks.
You're all set. Here is your key. Your room number is 305. That's on the 3rd floor. The elevators are just over there to your left. To use the key, just tap it on the black panel on your door. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
And that was our role play. See? That wasn't so scary. And Nick was a very kind receptionist. Did you notice the small mistake I made? I said reservation paper, and Nick gently corrected me to confirmation number. It's okay to make small mistakes.
A very kind receptionist. Well, that was great practice. Now, did you listen closely? We have a little challenge for you.
It's a listening challenge. Okay, everyone, what room number did I get? I'll give you a few seconds to think.
All right, time's up. Did you get it? The correct answer is room 305. Room 305. If you said room 305, great job. If you didn't catch it, that's okay. You can always go back and listen again. That's a great way to practice.
Yes, I'm glad you remembered it. Repetition is key.
Okay, before we finish, let's review 5 useful hotel phrases.
Let's do it.
Number 1, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
This tells the hotel you booked the room before you arrived.
Got it.
Number 2, is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
Use this to ask if the morning meal is free with your room.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3, could I have the Wi-Fi password?
Could I have the Wi-Fi password?
This is how you politely ask for the internet password.
Okay, 2 more.
Number 4, What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
Ask this to know the time you must leave the hotel.
Very important question.
And finally, number 5. Could you help me with my bags?
Could you help me with my bags?
Ask this if you need help carrying your luggage to your room.
That was a great recap. You all did an amazing job today.
So next time you walk into a hotel, you don't need to feel nervous anymore. You will feel ready.
Yes, you have the words now. You can do it.
And now we want to hear from you. Have you ever stayed in a hotel? Where was it? Or what city would you like to visit one day?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your messages.
If this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to English with Cheri.
And listen again and repeat the phrases out loud. That really helps your English.
Thanks for learning with us.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.